Cuileann, the Irish word for holly. Holly is native to Ireland and was plentiful in winter, making it a common Christmas decoration. It was also believed to protect homes from fairies and evil spirits during the dark winter months. According to Irish folklore, Cuileann, heavy with bright red berries, symbolised prosperity for the year ahead. Cuileann features in Irish mythology too. The warrior Cuileann fashioned a spear from the holly tree as he waited to go into battle. Another Irish legend tells how Fionn McCool and his warriors na Fianna were trapped in a cave on Keshcorran Hill in Sligo after a hunt. The king, who didn't quite like Fionn, sent his 3 daughters to enchant the men with holly, leaving them spellbound. Such stories and tales were shared at night around the hearth during the dark winter. Psychologically, these tales helped people make meaning of life. At Christmas, the tradition was to keep the Cuileann decoration up until after Nullig the Mon, Women's Little Christmas, on January 6th, because to take it down any sooner would invite bad luck for the year. Cuileann, the Irish word for holly.